So hi everyone, first of all, sorry my camera is not working, so I'm streaming with my main camera. So guys, basically what we do, we create video where we are going to share a couple of job things which is for freshers and which is for experienced people. First of all, this is a disclaimer which means whatever job links I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want anyone of you to be a part of any scam, right? Now let me start. So this is the first opening that we have, which is in Sign Technology, right? They are hiring for SOC analyst, they are hiring for cybersecurity engineer, they are hiring for cybersecurity analyst and pre-sale associate. For more detail, you can drop your resume on their mail ID and the other website sign.in on which you can drop your whatever query you have, right? Now, next one is someone is hiring for the cybersecurity web application firewall engineer who should have expertise in GCP native security web application firewall in Akamai and Cloud for F5 especially, right? And DevSecOps knowledge for sales required. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next is cybersecurity intern. Someone is hiring. Hyderabad remote based job. What you are going to gain is this is what you will see. Who can apply? Freshers. Yes, this is for freshers, right? So freshers can apply for this role, right? By the way, this is freshers written. And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? And yeah, this is what knowledge is required. Now, next opening is someone looking for enthusiastic, motivated candidate who should have knowledge about VAPT, network engineering. They are going to provide the training, right? Gurgaon and Mumbai is the location. If you are freshers, you can do. If you are a trainer, you can also join. 2 to 4 years of experience is required, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Company name is ESEC40. By the way, that's a good company. My friend is vice president there. Pre-sales engineer Splunk is someone another position. 3 to 8 years of experience is required. Other thing you can see here. They are the requirement. They are the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next is three openings are there, and L1 security administration. Quest Middle East is the location, and the other required skills are there, right? This is how much you're going to get paid, and these are the details like mail ID and all those things that you can use to send their mail. And in case if they're not responding, you can just drop a message or call on this number. Next is senior lead SOC engineer positions. There 5+ years of experience required, SOC, SIM, and all those knowledge is required, right? This is a link where you need to apply, and once you fill the form, you need to just drop a mail here. Company delivery. It's in Gurgaon. So guys, that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. This is Cyber Coffee YouTube channel that you can join to see the content in Hindi. If you wants to join training of internship program in web application pentesting, check out this. If you want to learn about SOC and get an internship certificate, join this, right? So this is what we have. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.